So we've been nothing but pleased, very responsive, respectful, clean workers, and we'd highly recommend them.
Thank you. Did a phenomenal job. They showed up on time, did the work as promised. The quality of the work was exceptional. Customer service was exceptional. I would highly recommend them for any roof work you may need. And I have. And it's about a year later, and everything's looking great, and it's functioning as it was promised.
And we needed help right away. And I thought, who can I phone? And I said GF Sprague, because they had done work for us before and had answered our call right away.
Bob and everyone at GF Sprague was very honest and upfront about explained everything in detail. In and out in really short time. Everything was 10,000 times cleaner than it was before. We couldn't be happier. I would definitely recommend GF Sprague to anyone.